Winter is nearly over, which means spring and summer around the corner, which is great for us crocheters because although I do love a great sweater, it's nice to pack those away for a little while and embrace the longer days and flowier silhouettes and get to crocheting something perfect for spring and summer. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sterling, and in this video I'm going to share 10 crochet fashion trends that are perfect to make for spring and summer this year in 2024. And in order to do this, I scoured Pinterest and social media, as well as looked at some emerging fashion trends in the fashion industry and used my own experience as a fiber artist in order to compile some trends that I think would be perfect to embrace through the art of crochet. And if you want to check out more on any of these trends and see more photos or information, then you can head to my blog post, and that is linked in the description box below. And the first trend that would be perfect to embrace through crochet are pencil skirts. Pencil skirts were everywhere for spring and summer 2024, and although pencil skirts do have a bit more of a corporate vibe, they're really versatile. You can dress them up or down, and they go really well from day to night. And a great way to wear them for this year is to keep the silhouette on top nice and simple. Pair them with a plain tank top or a sheer blouse. I also have seen a lot of sheer pencil skirts, which would be really fun to play around with creating a sheer crochet pencil skirt. You can also make them longer or shorter and play around with adding a little slit wherever you would like. I personally love a great pencil skirt and definitely plan on making a few this year. They're pretty simple to make and definitely beginner friendly for all of my beginner friendly crochet friends out there. You could also have fun with making a pencil skirt from yarn scraps, or make a more lacy design, or you could even just keep it nice and basic and opt for a more minimal design. This next one is definitely one that I've seen everywhere lately, and it's the flower choker. These are a statement piece that have been everywhere recently and are definitely more of a bolder statement piece to make and have more of a boho vibe. And they were definitely popping up a lot last year, but I definitely see them blooming a lot more this spring. See what I did there? These would be super quick to crochet up in an hour or two and are definitely beginner friendly. And you can add a ribbon and a bow as well to even sport that bow trend that's also been everywhere as well lately. And I've definitely talked a lot more about the bow trend in my 2024 predictions list, as well as shared some patterns in my 25 coquette aesthetic patterns video, which you can check out in the card above. And I'm not really going to talk a lot about the bows because I've already talked a lot about them, but that's definitely a trend as well. And if you chain a strap to be super long, you could even pair them with some jeans as a belt. Belts that are definitely more stylish and less functional are really in as well. And you can definitely play around with layering the choker flower necklace with other necklaces and adding beads or pearls to them as well. The next trend emerging for spring and summer 2024 are roses. Everything's coming up roses, and I know roses for spring aren't necessarily a revolutionary concept, but they've been spotted on runways and all over social media, so why not celebrate your more feminine side and embrace crocheting something rosy this spring? And the main way that I've seen roses incorporated in a lot of these designs are in more of a three-dimensional way, which makes crochet the perfect way to explore and embrace that rose motif. The fun thing is you can make so many kinds of garments and accessories with this motif, but I've especially seen them with rose bags and blouses. You can also embrace them by adding little ones and big ones to any garments or accessories that you might crochet as well. And maybe you're not a big fan of flowers, which is totally okay. And so maybe you might like this next trend, which is open work crochet. Open work crochet is also known as lace work or lacy open crochet, and is basically when the textile embraces more of an open stitching versus tighter or closed stitching. This style of garment is also really nice to crochet because it's really easy to layer with, it's really nice and breathable, and it'll keep you nice and cool during those warmer weather months. Experiment with mesh designs or lace work, and there are a lot of stitches you can experiment with to create that open work design. And if you're not really into more bohemian styling, then you can definitely opt for this next trend, which is the crochet polo. And polos never really truly go out of style, but this year we're definitely seeing the more oversized polo being sported. Throw it on with evening wear or a tailored suit, pair it in the more traditionally sporty way, or with something a bit more feminine to play with the feminine and masculine with your look. So with creating crochet polos, you're really creating a timeless staple, and you can have fun with the more cropped fit or oversized, and you can even make a polo dress style crochet piece. Another trend to explore this spring and summer are crochet shorts. According to Google, mini shorts or no pants or no trousers for my friends in the UK saw a 196% increase in 2023 and is only predicted to be back this spring and summer. And this spring is predicted to be the season of the hot pant according to the Zoe report. And I'm personally not really a big fan of the no pant trend, but I can get behind a hot pant if it's used in the right context. And I definitely love a really good crochet short. Crochet shorts can definitely be a bit more classy and chic. And the great thing is you can really experiment with making the shorts more lacy or adding ruffles, and you can even crochet belts and add sequins to them as well. And here's another classic trend that never seems to go out of style, and it's the white dress. And especially this spring and summer, we'll definitely see more maxi and midi style dresses. And I think that making a crochet white dress is the perfect way to explore making a classic piece or a statement piece, as there are so many different types of styles and designs that you can explore. And another trend that would be really great to explore, which is a bit more of a color scheme based trend, is color blocking. The great thing here is that you can experiment with making a more bolder color blocking piece or more of a minimal and neutral piece. And the knitwear artist and designer who's really great to look at for inspiration in color blocking and color schemes in her pieces is Hope McCauley. And another trend that's making a comeback this spring and summer is the big bag. Big bags are back after many seasons of the little tiny bags that have been in. So why not embrace them with crocheting a really big bag for yourself? So this is a great time to embrace the trend by crocheting a big hobo bag, make a statement with an oversized tote, or create the bucket bag of your dreams. And let me know if you would like to see a crochet patterns video specifically for big bags in the comments below. And another trend that's definitely perfect to embrace this spring and summer through crochet are sequins. Sequins are not just relegated to New Year's Eve looks anymore. They're definitely now for daytime looks as well as nighttime, and transition really well. Easily embrace this trend by adding sequins to your crochet garments and accessories, and you can even play around with the size of the sequins as well. You can also easily embrace this trend by simply using sequin yarn in your crochet mix. Well, that's it for the 10 crochet trends to explore for spring and summer. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and also subscribe and click the bell to join me for more crochet inspiration. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.